hella bad. If you can see, like right there, it's like a complete downpour just happened.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, I'm videotaping it actually.
I know.
It's like it's like flooding right there. Like when we got back from Alaska, the taxi driver started talking about how at Meadowwood it like was flooding for like 3 feet.
Yeah, it rained for 24 hours solid.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Logan, you gotta go outside.
Why?
You gotta fucking see this. It's like, did you hear about how Middlewood Mall had 3 feet of water?
No.
Well, Middlewood Mall had 3 feet of water at it. This hat could have it. Dude, come and see this. Like, I'll show you I'm gonna continue videotaping. I'm gonna show you the video. I'm gonna go back out. This is like,
I'll be back.
dude, you gotta see this. Come on.
Get me out of my room.
Okay, come quick. Fucking look at this. Like, look right here. Look how much water is coming out right there.
Holy yeah!
Dude, come on, let's go. Let's go. I want to go out there.
I kind of do, but I kind of don't. More don't than do. But YOLO.
Yeah, yellow. It means you only do it once. But I'm gonna videotape. This is like crazy though. Your shoes are gonna. Crap! I forgot your shoes. Dude, I just saw it light up. I just saw like the outside your window. Go. Go. Does it feel good? No. It's like, dude. I'm staying out here. Dang. If you can't hear, it's like thundering. It's freaking raining like crazy for just out of nowhere. Like, I'm gonna go on the street real quick. It's raining like crazy. My phone's getting soaked though. Look at that. It's already flooding. It started like 5 minutes ago. You can look. There's rain all over the place. Like, my sister over there has a coat just to cover herself. It's crazy. What? Yeah. Huh?
Get inside.
No, I was at Logan's house, so I'm gonna go back. I'm just videotaping.
Okay, but you're not gonna take those shoes off first.
Yeah, I know.
No, I mean right now.
I cleaned up my shoes though. Yeah, I'm videotaping though. Whoa!
Daddy, I left my little dot upstairs. I had a little bead up there.
What?
I know they were still in the car, but I ran up there and like a little bead. I still have to go somewhere.
Wait, we still have to go somewhere? Where?
I don't know. I think it's a good thing that plane is landing.
Wait, just started like 5 minutes ago, huh? And look how much it's like flooding already.
It's fun to play in, but it hurts.
Doesn't hurt that bad.
Yeah, because you have a hat protection. Imagine going out there like this. Daddy, you can feel how hard it is.
I'm good. I can see how hard it is. It's raining pretty damn good.
That sound just loud though, so it's getting really close. As he's out there barefoot.
Yeah.
Azzy, how does it feel barefoot? Oh my god, did you see that? Oh my god.
Fantastic.
So I'm gonna take off my shoes. Oh god, it's getting close.
Meet you back here at 7:30.
Why?
Because we're gonna go.
Go where?
Going out to dinner and going to watch a movie.
Oh, where are we going for dinner?
None of your business.
Okay.
We're going where we go. Guys, they don't do that.